Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. The dog is blank the ball. The dog is beside the ball. The dog is blank the doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. The dog is in blank of the doghouse. The dog is in front of the doghouse. The dog is blank the doghouse. The dog is behind the doghouse. The dog is blank the doghouse and the tree. The dog is between the doghouse and the tree. The dog is blank the doghouse. The dog is on the doghouse. The dog is blank the tree. The dog is under the tree. The butterfly is blank the dog. The butterfly is above the dog.